Hi my beautiful friends, it's Liz. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I want to share some new in items in my wardrobe, and I want to start off with some pieces kindly sent to me by Lilly Silk. This is what the packaging looks like every time you receive something from Lilly Silk. Look how beautiful and high end. And this is the first item that I received, this beautiful blouse. This color is called Lily White, and check out all the delicate lace details. It feels so very soft and luxurious, and my favorite part about this top is definitely the sheen. Now, if you haven't heard about Lilly Silk is where you can get all your silk needs. That's everything from clothing, bedding, even sleepwear. They currently have a men's collection and accessories. Something that you may not know about me, but when I'm not here on camera, I wear a headband a lot when I'm working out and just to run my errands to keep my hair out of my face, and now they have them in silk. I was so excited to check out the website, and I think you should too. So this is my first item. If you're not into this beautiful creamy color, even though it's called Lily White, it does look very, very creamy. It's very, very soft on your skin. It also comes in black. This is my first item. I want to just move around with it so you can see it in motion, but it is definitely luxury. So very beautiful. I paired it with these walking shorts, my YSL belt, some high heels, and let me grab my bag so you can see what it looks like closely. A little bit more information about this top. It is in an extra small and is made out of 100% grade 6A mulberry silk. So it's very, very soft and very nice and comfortable on your skin. The next piece I have is this sweater dress in the spun silk knit. This beautiful dress will get you to many occasions. I think it's a dress that you can wear for multiple seasons. You can definitely wear it in the winter, wear it now. You can wear it to work, you can wear it to a party, you can use it belted or without the belt. I'm going to show you both ways so you can see what it looks like. It is a slim fit, which makes it really catering to my build, which I'm more of a petite shape, and it fits amazingly. I love it. It's very soft, and I can't wait to share what it looks like on. Two pieces that I shared with you today, or you're just very curious and are interested in checking out the Lilly Silk website, I encourage you to do so. And if you like anything, I have a code. It is LizC12 for 12% off of the entire website. Please check out Lilly Silk. You won't be disappointed. Let's continue with my other shopping pieces. Okay friends, I was in New York for a few days and I decided to do a little shopping. I went into Louis Vuitton on 57th and 5th Avenue, and I also checked out Hermes on 65th in Madison. So I had never been into an Hermes store before, so that was something different for me. I just have never entered one, and I finally decided to check it out, and I had an amazing experience. But let's start first with Louis Vuitton, and this is the bag. It looks a little bit beat up because it went with me all through the day, and then on the flight. So they gave me the beautiful packaging because I mentioned to her that this was my husband's Mother's Day present to me. So she wanted to make it a little bit special. So she threw in the beautiful bag. This is the item. Now, when I entered the store, I was so interested in a pair of white sandals. I'll put a picture of the sandals that I wanted, but they did not have them. And when she looked on her computer, she said, no, they are sold out in the whole country. So there was no chance that I was gonna get my hands on them. But then I saw these, and like I mentioned before, I was so interested in a pair of white sandals that these were on display in white. And I said, okay, these look nice. But then I tried on the gold pair and I compared, and let me show you what I came home with. So these are actually a brand new item. They had just put them out on the sales floor. So I was excited to have something new because I had never seen them before. And this is what they look like. I tried on the white, I tried on the gold, and I came home with the the gold pair. I love a gold sandal in the summer. I just think all your outfits have a little extra zhuzh to them. This is such a beautiful sandal for the summer. Like I said, I tried on the white and I tried on the gold, and myself and my husband agreed because I sent him a picture. I'm like, what do you think, white or gold? That the gold was definitely more interesting than the white. They also have them in white and I think also in pink, but in the store they just had them in the gold and in the white. So these, the name is Isola, and they are priced at $780, and I am a size 36 and they fit perfect. Let me show you the other one. But I am so excited because I do wear a lot of gold sandals during the summer, so this is a perfect addition. But let me tell you the rest of my tale of the day. I still felt this longing for a white pair of sandals. So I was kind of excited about these, but still craving a white pair of sandals, and that's where Hermes comes in. So like I said, I had never been into an Hermes store. So I took the opportunity of being in New York to check one out for the very first time. And I figured out that I was very close to one from where I was staying. So I walked over to 65th in Madison, and I saw the pair that I wanted, but not in a white color. But I did ask the salesperson, and she went into the back and she brought them out for me. Now, I will have to let you know that I'm always a 36, but I had to choose a 36 and a half. So for some reason, these ran a little small. Now, I'm trying to think, was it maybe because it was later on in the afternoon and my feet were swollen? But I don't think that would have anything to do with the length. I just don't like when you're wearing slides and a little bit of your foot is hanging off of the end part. It just looks funny. So I actually sized up to a 36 and a half, and let me tell you, I walked into the Hermes store and I was like a little nervous. I don't know why. I just think that's something that happens when you enter a place that you've never been to before. You don't know what the treatment's going to be like, if you're going to be traumatized, or is this going to be an amazing experience? And it was an amazing experience. As soon as I walked in, I said to the security guard, where are the sandals? And he told me on the 3rd floor. As soon as my foot touched the 3rd floor, someone asked me if I wanted water, coffee, or tea. So they were on top of their thing there. And it was like it was a party. It was crowded, full of people, shopping. Everybody looked more interesting than the next. It was definitely a vibe. So let me show you what I came home with. This is the box. My first Hermes unboxing. I do not own anything from Hermes. This was my first time going into a store, and I have a little history now. They took down all my information. I felt like, okay, does this mean that I have history now at Hermes? I guess it does, right? So, okay, too much talking. Let me show you what I purchased. This is something that I have owned similar to this style, and I've worn it a ton. So I said, you know what, why not invest in the Hermes version of this sandal? And the sandal that I'm speaking to you about are the Oran sandals, but in white. The price on these, let me see the price, is $700. So look at them here. I'm sure you've seen them many times before, but this filled my need for a white sandal to rock all summer with all my Zara dresses, right? So I definitely love what they look like, and I know already that I'm gonna wear them a ton because I just love the style. So simple. You don't have to worry about matching too much embellishments. They just look so classic, so amazing, and I can't wait to wear them. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you check out Lilly Silk if you find yourself craving anything silk this summer. They have so much. They have their beautiful summer collection that has just come out, and they have so many things. You would definitely enjoy exploring their website. Don't forget, my code is LizC12 for 12% off your purchase. Bye.